Did we just find aliens? Well, according to NASA, we may have found evidence of aliens.
This very well could be the clearest sign of life that we've ever found on Mars.
See, last year they claimed that they had found some textures on a rock on Mars in the Jezero crater, which was an ancient lacustrine setting. Basically, it used to be a lake with rivers feeding into it and dumping a load of sedimentary rock, creating all these really cool sedimentary structures. And Perseverance found this sample, which looked awfully strange with a rather bizarre texture. It had these spots or nodules and blotches. Now, these have been known as poppy seeds and leopard spots because they kind of look like them. Using the tools on board the Perseverance, they found out that the poppy seed nodules were vivianite, the leopard blotches were vivianite rims surrounding greigite, and in and around the area of these blotches and spots was organic carbon traces. Now, the three of these together are really important because here on Earth, they are associated with microbial life. Here on Earth, in lakes and bogs and peat settings, microbial life basically feeds off ferric iron and sulfates, exchanging electrons, creating redox conditions, which is basically the microbes assist in electron exchanges and use the energy to basically use as fuel. And the fact that we see evidence of that there implies that it might have been microbial life that did that too. Could this have been created by abiotic sources? Technically, yes, but the issue with that is usually it's painfully slow and requires temperatures of over 150 degrees Celsius, which would alter the rocks that they're surrounded by. And we have no evidence from what we've seen so far to suggest that there have been any of these changes. These spots and blotches on the rock look deliberate. They look like colony hotspots that we see here on Earth. Now, we can't be sure that this is microbial life until we get those samples back to Earth, which is kind of hard to do considering they're on Mars. But when we do, and when we find a way to bring those samples back, we'll be able to test this and see whether it is microbes. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, follow, and I'll see you in the next one.